Let's begin by talking about Windows Update. Windows Update is a service that provides important updates to Microsoft operating systems. Protects against malware and security exploits. Enhances Windows components and improves functionality. Windows Update has been available to users in Control Panel since Windows Vista. With Windows 10, it's available from Settings. I'll click Start. And I'll click Settings. And then Update and Security to show you. I could check for updates if I wanted to, but that takes some time, so I'll skip it for now. I don't have to check manually though. Microsoft releases security updates on the second Tuesday of every month and Windows gets them automatically. To see more settings, click Advanced Options. You can review and change how updates are installed, among other things. Here is Give Me updates for other Microsoft products when I update Windows. Here's to automatically download updates, even over metered connections. And I like this one, show a notification when your PC requires a restart to finish updating. You can also pause updates and you can choose how and when updates are installed. We'll talk about this shortly. I'll click Back. Let's look at another setting, change active hours. Here's where you tell Windows when you usually use the computer. This is a safeguard against unexpected reboots due to updates. Go ahead and set your active hours now and click Save. Now click View Update History. I don't have much of a history here because this computer is pretty new. But you'll probably have a whole lot of updates. There are a few other advanced options you might be interested in. So let's return to that for a minute. Let's click Advanced Options one more time. Let's look at Delivery Optimization. This feature creates a local cache of updates and shares those with other PCs on your network. You can enable it for your local network or internet. If you're concerned about bandwidth, have an unreliable or unlimited internet connection, or have a lot of computers on your home network, you should enable the setting. Not all of the options about Windows Update have to do with updates. You can find additional options in the Local Group Policy Editor, provided you're running Windows 10 Enterprise or Professional. I'll type gpedit.msc and then select Edit Group Policy in the results. Local group policies are rules that you enable or disable that determine how the computer will work and what you allow users to do, and can be used to place restrictions on the various Windows components like Windows updates, as well as what you'll allow your users to do while on the computer. There are two areas to consider: computer configuration and user configuration. Because I want to apply changes to the computer in this instance, I'll expand computer configuration and navigate to these settings. Computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, and down at the bottom, Windows Update. If you're interested in controlling how Windows updates work, you might want to read through the options. You might want to, for instance, allow updates to be downloaded automatically over metered connections to keep mobile users updated even if they don't have access to Wi-Fi. Perhaps you don't want to include device drivers with Windows updates, because you want to test all drivers first in the lab. You can configure that setting as well. You can also allow automatic updates immediate installation should you want all updates to be installed as soon as they're available. There's always objects you can, especially here in the editor, but this gives you a good start regarding how to control Windows Update. Go ahead and continue to look around in the Local Group Policy Editor and then close all open windows when you're ready to proceed.